Today many of us dream of working from home, and most of us are getting successful in getting genuine work from home jobs. Work from home is like a great opportunity for many of us. We work from home from our comfort zone, at our own timing, and we are our own boss. To hear work from home jobs looks interesting and attractive, but it has some disadvantages also. Most of the employees or freelancers working from home work for longer hours, work on the weekend also, and at the last, they don't have any paid leave. So taking a leave also suffers their job. Till now many of you must be suffering from health issues or may suffer in the future while working from home. This article is for all those who are working from home to make them aware of the health issues and its risk. Here are the top 5 health issues in work from home jobs and their solutions. 1. Stress. A load of work, tight deadlines, demanding clients, late night work may lead to stress. Even in this condition, you might produce your best work, but continuously working under pressure might take a toll on your health. Due to stress, you can face health problems like fatigue, headaches, heart problems, and insomnia. While working from home, many of us don't meet the outside world for days, no one to chat or no one to discuss the problems or to share anything. This also causes some mental stress and loneliness. Solution: practice yoga and meditation regularly. Have a good and positive attitude towards life. Figure out the stress reason. If any particular project or client is disturbing, then don't take the work. Take 8 hours of sleep. 2. Neck/back pain. In the work from home online jobs, the main job is to sit in a chair in front of PC for long hours. It seems like a comfortable job. But if you are sitting in the same posture for long hours, it may trouble your neck, back, and spinal cord. But till the time we realize the pain, we don't change our sitting posture or the chair. Solution: take short intervals in between work. Do stretching exercises. Adopt a proper sitting posture in the chair. Adopt a comfortable chair that will support your back and neck. 3. Burning eyes. While working online from home, your eyes are more at risk. Again, working for long hours put a strain on your eyes. If you are stressed with a lack of sleep, then definitely you will have the burning eyes. Solution: take a break and close your eyes and let them take the rest. Wash your eyes with cold water. Wear radiation protective glasses while working. Use radiation protective screen for your LCD, it will also protect your eyes. 4. Sedentary lifestyle. While working from home, there is no commute or exercise at all, just wake up and sit in front of the PC for long hours. Many bloggers and work from home employees have a sedentary lifestyle as they work for 12 to 14 hours to keep their blogs updated and every time worries about the blog SEO. A sedentary lifestyle causes obesity, high blood pressure, weight gain, heart problems, stroke, and many other problems. Solution: exercise regularly, have a healthy diet and avoid junk foods. If possible, purchase an exercise bike or machine at home. 5. Carpal tunnel syndrome. Carpal tunnel syndrome is caused by continuously working on the keyboard, typing for long hours, and keeping fingers in the same position. CTS is the worst health issue while working from home. If any of you suffer from CTS, it may require surgery, and to recover it may take 6 weeks. So take care of your fingers also. Solution: exercise your hands in intervals. Stretch arms, fingers, and wrist. Keep a massage ball aside while working and use it in breaks. Some more tips and solutions while working from home. 1. Reduce your work hours. 2. Take a break every 3 hours. 3. Avoid sleeping late. 4. Even though if you are working late hours, take proper sleep in the daytime. 5. Consume fresh juices. 6. Have a healthy and proper diet on time. 7. Prioritize your work to use proper time management. 8. If you have a load of work, then hire help. At last, if you are earning quite a handsome income while working from home and not taking care of your health, it will affect not only your health but also your work productivity. I hope from today onwards you will take care of your health, which will save your money and time also. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, to subscribe to the AJ Lard's channel, Naturepedia.